Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can delete any groups in Google Groups. Let's begin. So once you are on Groups, click on My Groups on the left panel, right? Then in this section, it will list every single group you have joined, whether you are just a member or an admin. So for example, if you would like to delete this group, you're an admin, click on this gear icon, Group Settings, then you can scroll all the way down. You will see this section delete, right? So you can also do it over here, delete. Now you can click on this red button. It will show in here that deleting a group is actually permanent. So just make sure that if you're going to delete this, any members, messages, any interactions, will all be deleted. So click on OK if you're sure. Wait for a few seconds, and there you go. It has been successfully and permanently deleted. So deleting a Google group can actually help clean up unused groups or, for example, inactive groups and simplify account management. Before removing a group, it's a good idea to make sure you are no longer in need of any of its discussions, files, or members' information, as deleting a group is permanent, as I said earlier, and remove access to everything and all of its content. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.